Here, conditions are carefully managed for growth, health, and consistency.
Only birds meeting strict standards move forward in the process.
Handling is designed to be efficient, humane, and consistent.
The product begins its transition from farm to facility.
From here, the industrial journey truly begins.
With timing critical, transport begins under strict control. Temperature and airflow are maintained every kilometer of the way.
Stability and monitoring ensure consistency upon arrival. The factory ecosystem comes into view.
Sorting begins with calm handling and precision.
Surface cleaning prepares the product for transformation.
Automation ensures uniform handling at every step.
Temperature control protects quality and safety.
Human supervision remains essential.
Flavor is introduced through controlled absorption.
Time, motion, and formulation work together.
Consistency is engineered into every portion. Preparation ensures uniform transformation.
The signature texture begins to form. Flavor and crunch are locked in. Uniformity defines the brand experience.
Now, heat completes the transformation.
Automation maintains precision where heat is critical. Balance is achieved between texture and control.
Cooling stabilizes the transformation.
Every degree is carefully managed.
Safety systems operate without interruption.
Automation refines consistency at scale.